Starting with the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent, who is one, who is alone, none shares his power and authority. Where there was nothing, there was Allah. Where there is nothing, there is Allah. Where there will be nothing, there will be Allah. Means Allah knows past, present and future. Respectable our teacher and all my friends, I want to greet you with Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Today I am in front of you. My speech topic is power of vocabulary. My dear friends, you know that whenever we need to be communicate, whenever we need to talk with any person, whenever we need to ask from anyone, or we need to be giving answer to someone, we need words. If we have words, we will be able to give answer. If we have words, we will be able to ask something from someone. My dear friends, words together make the sentence, and sentences together make the speech, and because of sentence we can communicate our friends, our teachers, our society peoples. You know that from childhood we are collecting words, still we are collecting words. It is not enough that we are educated and we had learned English, that is enough. No. If we want that we should speak Urdu language, there is vocabulary Urdu. We have to learn Urdu vocabulary, then we will be able to talk in Urdu. Then we can make sentences in Urdu. There are a lot of languages, and there is different vocabularies of these languages. If I am in front of you as a speaker, I am making speech, I am delivering speech in front of you, there is being usage of words. I am using words, and words are making the sentences. Words are together making the sentences. That is the role of words. The role of words is to make the sentences, and the role of sentences is to be communicated. Wherever we want to go, where with a whom we are being to be communicated, whom we are being to ask something, or whom we are being to give the answer, there we need words. We need sentences. For sentences, for being communicated, we need the words. When we collect words, then we can be able to give answer. We will be able to ask something from who is talking with us, about whom we want to talk. Means any language is not complete without words. We have words, we can talk. If we have other language, if we want that we should make another language, we can make. But first of all, we should have to collect the letters. After then, we have to make letters. From letters, we have to make the words. After then, words will be making sentences, and these sentences will be increased, and that group of sentences would be called as a language. My dear friends, our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, many languages, he was knowledgeable, means he knows many languages. How he knows? Because of vocabulary. He was the city of knowledge, and every language he was able to talk. There was no any language who our Holy Prophet peace be upon him does not know. All the languages were our Holy Prophet peace be upon him. He was able to talk. He was able to be communicate with everyone in their languages. You know, Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam, who was the prophet, our prophet of prophet of our Allah Almighty. He used to listen the voice of birds, animals, and he used to give reply to the animals and the birds. What was that? That was the collection of words. That was the vocabulary. He listened, he understood. For that, we can say that the language of animals, the language of birds, Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam, he understood. He was able to talk, and he was talking, replying, discussing, being communicated with the animals and birds. That was the power of words. Means he knows. We can imagine and we can consider. If I have some points and I am making speech, if any person who will come in front of us and he will make more speech than me, he will use good words, better words than me. Means his speech would be called the best speech. He would be called best speaker of today. What was that? That is the power of word. Means he used powerful word. For that he is recognizing that today's best speaker is this one. We have to collect words from our community, from our friends, and we have to be the great speaker from today. We have to collect. So these were some points which were shared by me in front of you. So I think.